it's going to be a top-down analysis, starting from the weekly time frame and working my way down to the 4-hourly time frame or the hourly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been in a strong buy, ranging, forming higher highs and higher lows, and over the last few months, since April, price has been ranging between the 3,155 level to the 3,435 level. This past week, price formed a very strong bearish candle, a bearish engulfing candle actually, on the hourly time frame, as you can see over there, in support level around the 3,330 level. That's where price got to. We'll have a closer look at it on the 4-hour time frame, and then you would see that price currently is around a support level. But that's what happened last week, a strong bearish candle forming, which engulfed the previous week's candle. On the daily time frame, again, we can see price moving bearish after having a strong week the previous week. Tried bouncing off support level at the 3270 level, got towards this area, the 3400 level, and then reversed. If you use your Fibonacci retracement, you can see that that's where as reverse form falls on the 0.786 Fibonacci level. So price got to that area there, formed a very strong bearish engulfing candle, and continue its move to the downside following a brief retracement. Again, when price got to this support level at the 3330 level. Moving down to the 4-hourly time frame, where we take our entry, we can analyze the market a bit closer, see where we can capitalize on it, taking more sell or buy trades depending on what happened. So as we can see, again, price moving this support area here, bouncing off to this 3400 level, got back to this new support level here at the 3330, bounced up again, and then back down into this support area, and that's where price currently is at the moment. So what we're looking for this coming week is either a very strong buy or a very strong sell signal. So we're looking for a candle that will form, that would suggest the possibility of price moving to the upside or moving to the downside. Now with a sell move or that price moving to the downside, then we'll be expecting for this 3330 level to break, moving all the way down. So we'll expect to see maybe a very strong bearish candle forming. Might not really retest this area, might just continue to the downside, right? Or you might see a price creep down just a little to break this area, then come back up to this level before falling down. The reason why if a very strong bearish candle breaks this, I normally would enter my trade, because that's usually a strong signal that price will continue bearish. But if price just creeps down below this area a little bit and then continues to go down, but not with a very strong bearish candle, normally I would wait for price to retest, because the sellers might exhaust themselves, get back into the zone here, and sometimes regather momentum and then push to the downside. And if that doesn't happen and buyers overwhelm then price most likely would continue to the upside, and then that move down here might just be a fake out. So you always have to be careful. On the other hand, we very strong buy signals. So if you have like a bullish pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle forming in this area, for example, then that could indicate a very strong buy momentum, and so I will be looking to take a buy trade there as well. If you're not very comfortable taking the trade when that strong bullish candle forms, if we go down to the hourly time frame, you can see that there is a sort of resistance level here that has formed. You can see it's going into that area there and testing it. So if you do not want to take when price gives us a very strong buy signal from this 3330 level, then you can always wait for price to break this resistance level here, and then you can look for an entry the way to the upside. Especially if you're a day trader, you can also look for this sort of trade as well. But as a swing trader, I would be confident to make my trade from here, give a very good area for my stop loss, again bearing in mind that there could be a fake out of price moving to the downside, and then manage my trade appropriately. But essentially currently we are in a key area of support. That's the 3330 area, waiting to see how price reacts to this level. A strong buy signal essentially would mean price going to the upside, so forming a strong bullish candle. If price breaks the resistance level to the downside, then we will be looking for sell opportunities. So essentially this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a fantastic week ahead. Peace.